In this video, we will review the buttons on your Cisco IP phone. To begin, we have the standard telephone keypad, 0 through 9, star, and pound. Directly below the LCD, we have the 4 soft keys. The reason these are called soft keys is because their function changes depending on what you're doing with the phone. For example, notice the second soft key has the label New Call. When I lift the handset, notice the label changes to End Call, hence the name Soft Key. Below the soft key we have our directional button. This allows us to scroll up and down, left and right for menu selections on the screen. In the center we have the select key, which is indicated with the check mark, to select what we've selected on the screen. Below the LCD screen we have this cluster of buttons: the Messages button with the envelope icon, the Directories button with the Open Book icon, the Services button with the globe icon, the Settings button with the check mark inside the box, the Volume up and down, the Headset button, the Mute button, and the Speaker button. We will further review the Directories and Settings button in a later video. The Volume button allows you to adjust the volume of the ringer up and down by simply hitting the left or right side of this button. It also allows us to adjust the volume of the handset. Notice we have a new soft key, the Save soft key. So as I adjust the volume for my handset, I can simply hit the Save soft key and our handset volume will be changed, and that will become my default handset volume. I can also adjust it while I'm on the phone if I simply need to make the person that I'm talking to louder or softer. And as long as I don't hit the Save soft key, then when I hang up, my default volume will be used for the next call. Also, by hitting the Speaker button and going off hook, I can adjust the volume of the speaker. And I have the same Save soft key. I have a Mute button, which allows the party to not hear the things that you are saying or things that are going on in the background. Notice it lights bright red, as well as when I hit the microphone mute button, it shows microphone mute off and microphone mute on to give me a visual indicator on the LCD as to the status of my mute. I have a headset button for those that will be using headsets with the phone. On the side of the phone, I have the button that allows me to adjust the angle of my phone. Holding the handset carefully with both hands, I can depress this button and adjust my phone up or down. The last button to review is underneath the handset. This allows me to take this clip out, flip it around. One side has a lip, one side is smooth. If I put the lip side up, this allows my handset to catch so that it's not easily knocked off if I bump my phone. If you do choose to do this, be very careful to make sure that when you hang up the handset, you come from the top and slide down so that you properly hang up the handset. And this concludes the video for the button overview of the Cisco IP phone.